Bitcoin sell-off resumes after China reiterates crackdown warning. يكرر reiterate. Bitcoin fell again on Friday after China reiterated its warning that it intends to crack down on crypto mining in what has been a tough week for crypto investors. Crypto investors مستثمر العملة المشفرة. Crackdown on crypto mining اتخذت إجراءات صارمة ضد تعدين العملات الرقمية. Crackdown. Bitcoin resumed its sell-off Friday after China reiterated a warning that it intends to crack down on cryptocurrency mining as part of an effort to control financial risks. The largest cryptocurrency fell 4.8% to $38,165 as of 11:11 a.m. in New York. The statement late Friday after a meeting of the Financial Stability and Development Committee was the latest blow in a rough week for the cryptocurrency market, rattled by forced selling and a possible US tax clampdown. Severe or concerted attempt to suppress something. China has long expressed displeasure with the anonymity provided by Bitcoin and other crypto tokens, and warned earlier in this week that financial institutions weren't allowed to accept it for payment. The country is home to a large concentration of the world's crypto miners or programmers who use massive computing power to verify transactions on the blockchain. Friday's sell-off hit Bitcoin believers still fuming after one-time proponent Elon Musk did an about-face and criticized the token for its energy usage. One-time proponent داعم. One time former يعني السابق. هذه الترجمة مرة واحدة ليست ترجمة دقيقة لأن هذه كلمة غير منفصلة. One time ليست كلمتين. One time proponent داعم سابق مؤيد في الماضي. One time proponent did an about face. سنشرح هذه العبارة. يغير اتجاهه بالكامل. did an about face يعني غير رأيه بخصوص العملة بيتكوين العملة المشفرة بيتكوين and criticized the token العملة الرمزية token for its energy use لاستخدامها للطاقة. Bitcoin is down about 20% since last Friday, though up from a Wednesday plunge to $30,000. Other coins have slumped too. تراجعت العملات الأخرى أيضا. Ether is down about 35% over the past 7 sessions. Ether هي عملة مشفرة أخرى. The sour stretch for digital tokens started with Musk suspending acceptance of Bitcoin payments at Tesla Incorporation and trading barbs with boosters of the cryptocurrency on Twitter. China's central bank added to the downdraft Tuesday after carrying a statement warning against using virtual currencies. On Thursday, it emerged the US may require crypto transactions of $10,000 or more to be reported to tax authorities. Downdraft. Downdraft. Downward current of air. تيار هوائي ينزل للأسفل. المقصود هنا الانحدار الذي تعرفه العملات المشفرة. The downdraft. Volatility of Bitcoin is to stay elevated. تقلبات البيتكوين ستظل مرتفعة. Said Ben Imon's managing director of global macro strategy at Medley Global Advisors in New York. Leverage that unwound in Wednesday's tumble is already being replaced, he added in a note. Friday's sell-off once again pushed Bitcoin below its average price over the past 200 days, which to some chartists and technical analysts suggests it could trend lower still to around $30,000, where it found support earlier this week. charist يعني محلل للبيتكوين. الأشخاص الذين ينظرون للتشارتس وهذا هو التشارت ويحللون ويتوقعون ماذا سيقع للبيتكوين، هل سترتفع أم ستنخفض. Meanwhile, this week's swings led to a huge liquidation by leveraged investors and damaged the narrative that cryptocurrencies will become more stable as the sector matures. Musk's actions showed how a few tweets can still upend the entire market. Upend يعني يقلب the entire market. Still, over a long time horizon, tokens like Bitcoin and Ether are still on big gains. Over the past year, Bitcoin is up roughly 300% and Ether about 1,100%. Regulatory threat. One takeaway from the past few days is a reiteration of the regulatory threat to the crypto market. الوجبات الجاهزة ليست الوجبات الجاهزة takeaway هو المقصود به. الحقيقة. المقصود بالتيكاواي هنا يعني الحقيقة التي نتعلمها من هذه الأخبار الماضية. One takeaway from the past few days is a reiteration of the regulatory threat to the crypto market. Reiteration, reiteration, reiteration. Investors are underestimating the regulatory risk of the crypto as governments defend their lucrative monopolies over currency, said Jay Hatfield, Chief Executive Officer of Infrastructure Capital Advisors in New York. The possible imposition of transactions reporting requirements could be the tip of the iceberg of potential on virtual currencies, he said. The Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index is poised for a weekly tumble of more than 30%, the more since the market turmoil that accompanied the onset of the pandemic last year. Tumble انهيار. Despite downside risks and this week's volatility, which saw Bitcoin slide about 31% and jump roughly the same percentage Wednesday, crypto bulls are undaunted. Crypto bulls are undaunted. المضاربين على ارتفاع العملة المشفرة لا يخافون. Undaunted. They are sticking to the narrative that Bitcoin offers a modern-day portfolio hedge and store of value akin to digital bullion, and that blockchain-based financial services, so-called decentralized finance, are expanding. Digital bullion سبائك رقمية. التمويل اللامركزي decentralized finance. The institutional investors getting exposure to digital gold aren't going away anytime soon. Paolo Arduano, Chief Technology Officer of crypto exchange Bitfinex, wrote in a note Thursday, "Decentralized finance will continue to grow. Developers will continue to build."